Not for them here down here. Remember, I'm buy a couple rifle down the road too. All boy when know say them not link with me, have some rifle shot for them. Remember that you think a joking thing and play a rifle rubber bus for them pussy. Big up my friend Sonny. Yeah.
Only hear how the Jamaican boy brawling with the thing. You hear what them say though? Them have whole heap down there and them a go buy some rifle and send it go down at Jamaica. The boy in a St. Lucia. Me a talk about the Jamaican boy. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's your son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now, I have the video, but because our YouTube are going with the big, the way the man gone big to Bumbleclot, YouTube don't even want it show on them Pussyclot website. So if you don't want to see this video with this boy with this big gun, hit me up in WhatsApp. You know my number, it's right there. And you can link up in the WhatsApp group. The link is right there in the description of this video. You just click on the link and join the WhatsApp group. That's how big that boy gun is. Now, with that said, now, who is this brother here? Him name Calvin Simmons. But me, I will call him, as a matter of fact, let me go name him. Him name Calvin Yogi Simons. But me, I will call him Calvin Yogi Gunbag Simons. The boy a gunbag. Now, you leave Jamaica and you went to St. Lucia to seek a better life. But what you do? You itch up in a some little ghetto with some man and a pose with big blood cleat M16 or whatever. I not even know what kind of gun that. Cause that on a M16, that on a M15, I know one AK that. The gun they look different, me nah lie. And at that you choose to go do with your time at St. Lucia. Now, I know you don't want to blame me, you know, for that video in the dark. But you have to know, say, I know me take the video of you or your friend them and wanna do it and wanna put it viral. So you want people like me and other people all over the world to see it. And then people, man, where you so-called now link with you, forget intimidated when them see them gun there and see how you are going with them thing there. Well, you know what you do when you do them kind of thing there? You only put yourself in the shooting range. So right now, use a live target. Just remember that. And that you do when you come out with them kind of video. So don't blame me. No, say my youth, gunbag. Are you right now? Let me tell you something. Are you at the bottom feeder for the year? And I have to salute you. Listen to this.
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boys have some. Them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to Bumbleclot, bottom feeder. You are dead rascal, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass your front up. Look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish. This a no seaweed. How man a touch them up? Feel free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from body them ban. Harry breed them no in a mile lane. Check it as you see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them a some bottom feeder. You are dead to bumbo clad. Bottom feeder.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now, bottom feeder the hear this, the boy, Calvin GUNBAG. I should have gone in a bag in my call you, but me I give you the word name GUNBAG. Now, me I play the video again, and like me say, if you don't want to see the video with a big gun, me not even know what kind of gun that. You can link me in the WhatsApp group, or link me via WhatsApp, or link the group. Now, him is not only a damn GUNBAG, but him is a fucking bait. Cause me I go play the video and then me I go break it down for you.
Not for them ya down here. Remember, go and buy a couple rifle down the road too. All boy when no say them not link with me, have some rifle shot for them. Remember that you think a joking thing a play a rifle rubber bus on them pussy. Big up my friend Sonny. Yeah.
You hear what him say? Him say enough of them ya down here, and him can buy a couple rifle and send them down the road too. Meaning him a go send them to Jamaica. Now he goes on to say that anybody or any man that's not linking with him, rifle shot for them, meaning him a go shoot them with him big rifle. That's what he's saying. Now he went on to reinforce that again, say a rifle shot he's gonna bust on the man them who is not dealing with him. But one of the biggest thing that pussy I do, dog, him call a man named Sonny. If me was Sonny, Lucia don't take your bomber clad. You dep on video with big bomber clad gun, and you have said big up Sonny. You are one real pussy. Really and truly, out of everything, the biggest thing what me pissed off about with this video, him call up the youth named Sonny. And I don't know Sonny from Adam, but if that was me and a boy say Countryman, yo mother bomber clad, vex. That's why me know say that youth here, he don't really know badness. You understand? And me I telling you something about him again. Him come from the youth here. Him come from Anatown. Now Anatown is near Raytown, that I done a GP. You understand? In a downtown on the water side, cause you know say GP there right near the sea. And that's so him come from over that side there. And him brother is a big time police inspector at Jamaica. That my intel tell me. Long story short, yo, GUNBAG, you see what you do down in a St. Lucia? Are the wrong thing that you do. And you there St. Lucia, you know say it's not a place to play with. That's all me I tell you. And me I tell you something else. Me know more things by here, you know. But me make the first move. Show me emotion, pussy. Show me emotion. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.